Hazrat Ibrahim Taimi has reported from his father that Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu addressed us on a pulpit made of bricks, while he had a sword with which a booklet was hanging. He said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we have no book to read other than Allah's book, and this is scripture." So he opened it, and it contained the dictates about the ages of camels, and that Madina Munawwara is a sanctuary from air to such and such place, and that whoso introduces any innovation in it, there should be the curse of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the angels alayhimus salam, and all human being upon him, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will neither accept his obligatory nor optional acts of worship. It also contained that the guarantee of protection given by the Muslims is alike, and even a man of lowly birth can do so, and the curse of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the angels alayhimus salam, and all human being be upon him who infringes the covenant made by any Muslim. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will accept neither obligatory nor optional acts of worship from him. It also contained whoso makes an alliance with a people without his master's permission. So the curse of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the angels alayhimus salam, and all human being be upon him. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will accept neither any obligatory nor optional act of worship for him. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7300.